Good afternoon, friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the one more important topic, and the name of the topic is the impact of a micro habit on your successfulness. Yes, this topic is very important. We think that if we want to achieve something big, then we have to do uh, we should do giant work that can impact on night, but things are that is not true. If you follow the teeny micro if you follow the a tiny micro habit that can you result your success continuously and consistently. For example, if you thinking that okay, I want to win the marathon and I want to means started walking 15 kilometer a day, so it is not the practical thing. But if you think that okay, I started from the 10 minutes and I follow that I should go regularly 10 minutes for walking, so it create an a consistency and it create an a discipline, and this micro habit is became part of your life, and you can progress your success into the small and teeny parts. So your success is depend upon how is your attitude and how you are doing consistent work. People said that if you want to achieve the big, then you should do the very big things in a life, and you should do something giant is very big, but it's not possible. If you want to get the success, so you should started the micro small habit that create a very big much impact on your love on your life, and it can create a compound effect on your growth. For example, if you are thinking that okay, I want to start the learning, and you think that okay, I can read 20 book in a month, so this target is eventually, if you are thinking, that is the different thing. But when will you do the practical, so it is not possible. So what you can do, you should started with 3 page a day. So you should be started with 3 page a day, and at the end of the month you should read the 90 page, means you are uh, for example, if the book has the 200 words, so means 100 word is means 100 page is completed if you give your consistent time to reading the 10 page a day. So it create a magical impact of learning consistently. Micro habit is really good for you achieving the success in your future. And second thing is that if you want to have a plan that okay, this is the my new year resolution that I want to reduce my weight 20 kg, so you should go gym 2 to 3 day. You should do means hard work for 2 to 3 hours, but after that your mind means tired, and you think that okay, I don't go. But if you means do not go a gym, and you should do only the one simple thing that okay, if you are living on the 6th or 7th floor, then you should decided that okay, I should go with the stair. And if you are means if you want to go to the market and buy something, so you should make a determination, and you should make a resolution that okay, I don't use the bike or car, I go with by walking. So it small things create a big result on the long term. And so one more thing is that if you want to become a writer, okay, you said that okay, I want to write a book, and you are thinking that okay, I can write the 3 book in a month, so these things is not possible. So if you are set the target that okay, I have to write 2 to 3 page a day, and you decided that okay, I write only the 2 page a day, and if you are doing this type of work consistently, then at the month of the 3 and 4th, you can able to complete your book one, and you can also means measure your success, that how you are doing very well. So what I'm saying that these things micro habit is very important for your success in life, because nothing is happen big in your life at the one day. You should do regular hard work, and you should follow the regular consistency with your accomplishment of that goals, and you have significant mindset that okay, at that work I do, I got the success on each day, and your mind will be go into the growth mindset. And the second thing is that as far as if you are thinking that okay, I want to learn any new language. So if you are thinking that okay, I want to learn the 200 word a day, 300 word a day. So what happen? You should do 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. But after that, your mind will be exhausted and you will be overwhelmed with this situation. So you said that okay, currently I'm not comfortable with this situation. Okay, left this topic, and now means I am bored with this activity. But as far as you have chosen only the achievable thing, means what is the achievable thing, you have decided that okay, I have learned only the 6 word a day. If you have started with 6 word a day, and you should means learn this 6 word, and after go to the bed you should recall this 6 words. So eventually at the month end and at the year end, you have the very good vocabulary without very less effort, because you are doing very less effort as far as means thinking the very big in your mind. Your action means very small, but the result is get on the longer term very giant and very big, and it can impact on your career positively. And I want to say that if you want to get achieve success in your life, so you should start at the small habit, like reading the newspaper 5 to 10 minutes. I know that 10 to 20 minutes is not a big thing for you. If you can means have the determination that okay, I want to means read the newspaper 10 minutes a day, and you should also play any type of mental game for 10 minutes. So this means habit is increase your attention and details, and you should don't means spend unnecessary time that you are wasting on the Instagram, YouTube, and watching the shorts. Because if you are doing this type of things, so your memory will be weak, and you are not able to do proper concentration, and your details span of details and spans of attention is also reduced. So it's my humble request that you should choose the means micro habit which can give you success in your life. Thank you very much friend for watching my YouTube channel. I requested you to please subscribe my channel, and if you want to like my content, you should share to anyone, and you should like, and if you have any type of feedback, you should tell me. Thank you very much.